And good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us this evening. And welcome to Eric's weather forecast. I'm your host, Eric. So let's get right to the severe weather. Uh, so we're just going to keep this going right now. However, if you live in Cass, Michigan, you're still under tornado warning until actually a tornado warning for the next 27 minutes. Radar indicated with hail, so please be careful if you're going to be in that area. I'm going to see if I can get more details on this tornado warning, and we'll talk about this in just a moment. Just one moment. Okay. Tornado warning for southeastern Cass County and southwestern Michigan until 5 p.m. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. So, like I'm just saying, please take this very seriously because there have been tornado warnings that have been issued in Michigan. So I'm going to look at the radar here and see what we've got going on here really quick. I am going to be with you guys for quite a while, so I am going to continue to keep this going. Alright, so we have the tornado warning that continues for the next 27 minutes, and the tornado warning is up here. So if you live over in this area, and that's Cass, Michigan, tornado warning. So you guys should be taking cover immediately and staying in a sheltered area until the tornado warning has expired and cleared. So once again, Cass County, tornado warning. Stay in your sheltered area. Very, very dangerous situation going on over there. And then we are getting indications that there might be some thunderstorms that might have some rotation in them. So please take that seriously. And I'm not joking. Some of these thunderstorms may have the capability of rotation within the thunderstorm. So wherever you're seeing it highlighted in the green means that there is the possibility of thunderstorms with rotation. So be very careful if you are in western Michigan. Let me see what else we have going on here. We have, I'm looking on here to see what we've got going on here. One moment. I want to be a little bit specific here. Okay. We have another tornado warning that has now popped up. Just popped up on the radar here. Give me one moment. Let me see if I can bring this up. Okay. Let's see if I can bring this up because I'm a little. Alright, one moment. Alright, so St. Joseph, tornado warning for St. Joseph, and this was indicated by uh, radar indicated. There isn't no hail with this, but there is a tornado warning, and this tornado warning is in effect until 4:45. So take cover immediately. Once again, St. Joseph, tornado warning in effect until 4:45. Take cover now. Immediately. Until the storm has passed. You guys will be under that warning for about, let me look. You go, oops. I'm trying to look at something here. I don't think it even tells me. It does not indicate right now the time. So please be careful if you're going to be out there. We'll have to keep an eye on the situation. So we'll check some things out. So there is going to be trying to look this up. I have another thing that I'm looking up on my phone that gives me all the information. So I'm trying to read it off and show you guys what's going on. So back down over here, another tornado warning is in effect. So we've got 2 tornado warnings, and now we're getting indications that there may be the possibility of rotation within the thunderstorms right along in this area right in here. So please be careful if you're going to be in that area. So St. Joseph, tornado warning for you guys. So stay in your sheltered area. Very, very dangerous storm going on for you guys. So please be careful tonight if you're going to be out there specifically. And on top of that, let me see. On top of that, there is a, oh my goodness, my phone's going to go dead. I guess I got to plug that in. Okay. On top of that, there is a severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect. So in the yellow indicates that there is a severe thunderstorm warning. If I said severe thunderstorm watch, I apologize. I meant severe thunderstorm warning right along this area that's all in yellow is under severe thunderstorm warning, and then St. Joseph is under the tornado warning until let me look here. It won't even give me a time. It's not even indicating how long you guys are gonna be under that tornado warning. I'll have to look into that, and I'll let you know. So very, very powerful storms we've got going on. Nothing for our immediate area as of right now. Thunderstorms are just starting to come together, so it's probably going to be a very, very rough night. So just a reminder, I'm going to keep a very close eye on this whole situation. So if you live out in the Jackson area, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys, everybody in the viewing area, that would be Jackson, I'm going to go ahead and say this, so Jackson, Washtenaw, Wayne County, Oakland County, Macomb County, Livingston County, and Lansing, Michigan. You guys may have a problem. We'll have to keep an eye on that. So you guys will probably be next in line for some activity. We'll let you know when that's going to begin to happen. We'll have to keep you posted, but very active stuff going on. We'll keep an eye on that and we'll let you know. Down over here, just be careful. There are thunderstorms. Within these thunderstorms, there is the possibility of rotation within the thunderstorms right in the green here. So please be very careful if you see that. Wherever you see that green symbol means that there is the possibility of rotation within of a possible tornado. So I'll keep you posted on that. So probably going to be a very busy night. So we will keep you posted. And so we've got this tornado warning right here, and then if you go a little bit farther towards the north, another tornado warning that's also in effect. I'm going to look and see if I can find exactly which city that is or county. Let me look. Let me scroll down, see if I can find it. Where is it? One moment. There's so many on here, it's not even funny. I'm trying to find the ones for Michigan, and we've got them all over the place. One moment. Okay, I'm sorry, there's a lot of I'm looking here. One moment. Excuse me. Alright, it is now. Okay, now I gotta go back and look at this. Now, hold on. I get my list over here. I gotta put it back on. Because we've got another tornado warning that's going on. And I gotta figure out where that is, because that's in Michigan. Let me see if I can find it. Alright, I found it. Okay, let me just scroll up a little bit, and it's that. I think it is. No, it's not. Okay, one moment, guys. It's in Michigan. I'm trying to figure out what county it is. 1 second, because one moment I'm looking. Okay, here we go. Bay County. Alright, if you live in Bay County, tornado warning for Bay County. Bay County, Michigan, tornado warning for you. We've got tornado warnings all over the place, I can tell you that. Michigan, we may have a problem tonight. So, like I said, be careful tonight. That's all I gotta say about that. Is be careful. She would tell me how long they're going to be in effect for. Alright, so St. Joseph Michigan, you guys are still under that tornado warning. It was radar indicated. Cass, Michigan, tornado warning. That's still in effect, and that was radar indicated by Doppler radar. So you guys are still under that tornado warning, so just be aware of that, and stay in your sheltered area until all of these storms have passed. Okay, if I'm not able to pronounce the cities, I'm really sorry. I'm doing the best, but there's some of the cities I'm unable to pronounce. I'll just have to spell them to you. Alright, there's also more tornado warning for Eaton, Michigan, Barry, Michigan, and there's another city. It is Calhoun, Michigan. You guys are under a tornado warning, so please stay in your sheltered area until all the storms have passed. I'll let you know when that expires, so we may have a problem tonight. It's one tornado warning after another. There is another tornado warning. I don't know how to pronounce the city or county. I'll spell it to you. So tornado warning alert. Oh man, when we have a problem, because my phone's gonna go dead, so now I gotta plug it in. Give me one moment. I don't even know where the cord is. Oh, it's right there. Alright, give me one moment. I'm still gonna talk to you guys as I try and find my cord, so I can charge my phone up. I gotta charge it up as I'm talking to you. So I will be on as long as this is happening. I will be on the air until the severe weather event is ended and it moves out. So this area does show that there is the possibility of rotation within the area that is now under this tornado warning. So stay in your sheltered area. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Alright, one moment. Trying to get all of our... Okay, there we go. A little bit bigger. I had to fix something. So we got quite a few tornado warnings. We've got about let's see. We even have a tornado warning down here. So very, very active stuff going on. Out in Grand Rapids, Michigan, be careful if you're out in this spot. Be careful. That might be a hail symbol. I'll have to look that up. But if you're seeing this other stuff, that would indicate the possibility of rotation within thunderstorms. So please be aware of that, or it could be something else. So please be careful tonight. So tornado warning down over here. We have this tornado warning that's still in effect. that is showing rotation within this cluster of storms. So if you live in this area right there, remain in your sheltered area because it is a tornado warning with tornadoes. You do not want to be messing around with that. Tornadoes are very, very dangerous. They do a lot of destruction. Very, very, very powerful, and it can do a lot of damage. So please be aware, and please be careful. So we will be watching on the tornado warnings tonight, especially because it may be a very busy night. So we'll let you know what happens. So if you live over in this area, over in Marshall, I think that's what it says. And this is Battle Creek. If you live in Battle Creek, you guys are under severe thunderstorm warning. So remain in your sheltered area until all storms have passed. You can just see this big cluster of storms here. So they will be headed in your direction soon. So be prepared for some severe thunderstorms that will be moving in your direction. So it's going to take time, ladies and gentlemen, for all of this stuff to wind on down. But it's very active tonight, and we have been talking about the possibility of tornadoes, and we've been just seeing a lot of tornado warnings just pop up like popcorn in Pacific counties. So it is just a wait and see game to find out who else is going to get hit tonight. Because after that, I will look into the storm reports, and I'll have that report later on. And once that they all come in, I will have a live stream, and I will discuss that with you and let you know on all of the damage reports and other related breaking news on the severe weather tonight. Excuse me. Oh, I'm actually a little hungry, so I'm trying to find something else to eat. I don't know where it is. When I put them. I'm not looking for that. I don't know where it is. I'm still with you guys. I'm just looking for something to eat. I tried eating food from the cafeteria, and I didn't like it. So I didn't really care for it. So I have to reload my phone and get it back on, and I will be able to keep you guys posted on the warnings and stuff, and give you guys updates on this very active activity tonight. It's been very, very active tonight. It's just going to be a matter of time. Now, these storms are not they're not going really fast, so it's only time consuming and we'll just see if all these storms hold together by the time they get to our immediate area. I'll let you know. So kind of stay with me, and I'll keep you guys informed. I'm just gonna see where we are on the timing. Let me look at something here. One moment. I'm just trying to think. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. Excuse me. Okay, we have another problem. Alright, there's now a tornado warning for, let me see, St. John. If you live in that area, you guys have a tornado warning that is now in effect. So, if you live in that area, take cover immediately. People that live in the St. John area, take cover immediately. You guys are under a tornado warning. So if you live in that vicinity, take cover immediately. Take cover now. Don't play games with this or nothing. Stop what you're doing. Get to a sheltered area immediately until all the storms have passed. Okay? Because it could be any time the tornado could start and there could be problems. Down in this area, the radar is showing indications of possible rotation within these storms with these severe thunderstorms. So please be careful. If there is a threat that these storms have the possibility of rotation, so this cluster of storms right here have the potential of rotation. That means that there may be the possibility that with the rotation within the thunderstorms means that there is the possibility of a tornado that could develop. And the same thing over here. So if you live over in this area, it's already showing indications of rotation within these cluster of storms right there with this tornado warning that's in effect right there. There is indication of rotation within these storms. So you should be in your sheltered area and stay in your sheltered area until these storms have passed. Once again, tornado warning that is in effect in this area. So take cover immediately. Take cover now. There is the radar is showing possible rotation within those thunderstorms, so it's nothing to fool around with, so please be careful. Okay, so take this very seriously and get to your sheltered area. We'll kind of keep you posted on that situation. So a tornado warning is very serious, so please get into your sheltered area now. Thank you. This area over here, please be careful. The St. John's area, tornado warning is still in effect for you guys. I don't have my phone on yet. I have to put the my little code in there that that thing so it will load. So I have to wait a few minutes. If you guys hear an alert sound, it's just all of my notifications that come in, like Facebook and all that other stuff. So I do apologize for that. And it's probably gonna go out. I think I shut it down, I think. Alright, one moment. And then I'm gonna bring okay, that's just my alert tone on those tornado warnings. So it's just giving me a heads up of what's going on. So let me go back to the radar here. Let me go back to my other app so I can see if I can get some information on those tornado warnings. So hang on. I gotta let this thing load for a moment. You would have been able to see myself, but as long as we keep this live stream going, that's all that really matters at this point, because I'm more concerned about everyone that is within the areas that are under tornado warning. I'm really concerned about that. So please be very careful, and I know that we will probably be getting a lot of storm reports, so when that comes in, I'll be able to go over that on the areas that got hit with the worst parts of these storms. So, okay, it's loading, so that's good. One moment. My phone, okay, there we go. I thought the phone wasn't working. Alright, so while this is going on, I am now going to make an announcement so everybody has heads up. Even though the storms are not near us, please be prepared for some action. I don't know what the timing will be. Now that's only if I'm waiting to see if everything holds together, and I think we may have that possibility. I will let you know if we continue to see warnings in that. That's going to be a problem, and I can't find it. I do not like it when you can't open fruit snacks, and they're not very fun. Man, I might have to go and get my scissors so I can open them. I don't have anything to open them. Okay, I have to step out for a moment. I will be right back, but I am gonna be on doing this whole live stream until these storms have passed. So as long as we've got this threat of storms tonight and these tornado warnings that have been popping up little by little, I'm gonna stay live with you guys tonight until these storms, you know, just start winding down. Um, Madison, the Madison area, once again, you guys are still under that severe thunderstorm warning. Oh, we now have another tornado warning that just popped up on the radar. If you live over in this area, you guys are under, I'm going to probably end up making this a little bit bigger, but I'm not going to do that. So if you live in this area, let me see if I can get information on that tornado warning. Just a moment. I gotta wait because there's a lot of warnings that are just popping up on my phone here. That's why I was a little worried about that. So, Eden, Michigan, tornado warning. I'm gonna find out how long you guys have this tornado warning for. It's not even telling me, so I don't know what's going on. Let me see. Okay, so tornado warning for Eaton County until 5:45. So stay in your sheltered area. Once again, tornado warning for Eaton County until 5:45 Eastern Standard Time in southeastern Eaton County. So you guys are under that tornado warning until 5:45 again. And some of these thunderstorms tonight have the possibility of rotation within the thunderstorms, and we're just getting a lot of clusters of thunderstorms tonight. And then let's see what else we've got. I'm trying to find that new one that just came in. I gotta close this one out. Give me a moment. I might be able to. Okay, so let me talk about. Okay, so tornado warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for Eaton County. At 5:23 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Charlotte, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. So if you live in that area, be careful because there is a confirmed tornado on the ground near Charlotte, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. And it is a confirmed tornado located near the Charlotte, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. So stay in your sheltered area. Very dangerous. Does not sound very good. So please stay tuned. If we get a repeat of more tornado warnings, we'll let you know. So that doesn't sound very good at all. Let me find out about this other tornado warning. I was just trying to find it and trying to figure out which one. Oh yeah, over by the Marshall area is what I was looking for. Alright, one moment. There's so many warnings on here. Alright, so tornado warning for Clinton, Michigan. So if you live in that area, take shelter immediately. That area, once again, is tornado warning, radar indicated for Clinton, Michigan. Take cover now. Get to your sheltered area immediately. Let me see if I can get some more information for you on that tornado warning. I'm trying to pull it up. There we go. Alright, tornado warning remains in effect until 6 o'clock. Is that right or is that wrong? Wait, hang on a second. I gotta look this up again. What did they do? 1 second, you guys. I gotta look this up. There's so much going on tonight. One moment. Is this correct? Alright, one moment. 1 second. I gotta look this up. There's so many warnings coming in at the same time. It's a little confusing. So let me double check to make sure that I have the right information here. One moment. I don't want to confuse people. So let me look through my list again. That is very confusing. Alright. 1 second. Alright, let me see what we got. Alright. So, Kalamazoo, Michigan. Tornado warning. Radar indicated. And then tornado warning for city that I can't even pronounce. That would be Calhoun, Michigan. So if you live over there, please make sure that you guys remain in your sheltered area. Stay tuned. I'll be right back in just a moment. I gotta take a break for a second. I'll be right back. What is going on? Okay. One moment, guys. Okay, I'm back. I had to step out for a minute because I had to do something. So I tried to make it as quickly as I could. This is really on a roll here. So, what was I gonna say? So we have all these tornado warnings that are still in effect. So if you live in those areas, stay in your sheltered area until the tornado warnings have expired, and they haven't yet. So stay in your sheltered area, and I'll let you know when they expire and they're no longer in effect. or if the tornado warnings are canceled for the areas that are active right now, I'll let you guys know. That's how we'll do it. Okay, so it's probably going to be a while before everybody else gets hit. So let me get my snack here. And I'm going to tell you, this is actually the first time in a long time that I've actually done a live stream, especially with the severe weather event for Michigan. So these clusters of storms that we're seeing are very, very active tonight. So the next thing will be the storm reports. And there's probably going to be a lot of them, so I'll have to give you a heads up on that. So once these storms start getting closer to our immediate area, we may have some problems. So stay tuned for that. And we'll see how we're doing. Alright, I was just checking to see where I was at as far as timing on the live streaming we're doing. Okay, I just want to make sure that I'm on with you guys until these storms have passed. Excuse me. So the areas that need to be on the alert are Jackson, the Ann Arbor area. That would be Jackson County. I got something stuck in my throat. So Jackson County, Washtenaw County, Wayne County, Livingston County, Oakland County, Macomb County, St. Clair County, Lapeer County. Please be aware and alert tonight. This is going to be very interesting, but it's actually a slow mover here. And then we've got clusters of storms that are down in here. And we still have those tornado warnings that are still in effect, that are in the red areas. And let's see how we're doing as far as that goes. Let's see if I can bring that up again. Trying to find my button here. There we go. So just remember, Eaton County tornado warning continues for you guys until 5:45, and that is for east central Eaton County. And at 5:37, a confirmed tornado was located 6 miles north of Eastern Rapids, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. And the hazards would be damaging tornado, and that was source weather spotter confirmed the tornado. The impacts, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Most definitely. Be careful. So that tornado warning should be ending at any time for I believe it was let me go back and one more time. Okay, so people in Eaton, Michigan says tornado warning for you guys until 5:45. So be careful. And then people that live in the Lansing area, I am hoping that everyone out there in Lansing is okay, because I have family members. I have family that live out there, so I'm hoping and keeping my fingers crossed that they're okay. So I'm a little worried about that. So, Eaton County, where is my, okay, there it is. Okay, so, I'm sorry. Okay. So Eaton County, you're still under that tornado warning, so it may have been extended. I have no idea. I'll keep you posted. This area, which is the Charlotte area, tornado warning. And then people in the Lansing area, tornado warning for you guys. Like I said, please be careful tonight when you guys are out and out tonight with family or whatever kind of activity that you're doing. Okay, so the Jackson area, be on the alert. Washtenaw, Ann Arbor, Manchester, and I don't know if I can't even pronounce that. And then Wayne County, northwest Detroit, downtown Detroit, Westland, and that's in Wayne County. Livingston County, that would be, so Livingston County, just be on the alert. Oakland County, Macomb County, St. Clair County, Lapeer County, and if you live in the Flint area, please be prepared, because warnings could be issued at any time. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. even though there's not any warnings at this time for those areas that are not under warnings. Please be aware of that. People in Shiawassee County, you guys are under a severe thunderstorm warning. So please make sure that any areas that are under severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings, everyone is in a sheltered area and a safe area. I'm just basically concerned for the area, which would be Lansing, because I have family members that live out there. Just to make that short, I am just hoping that they're doing okay. So I will have to see what happens. So I'll let you guys know. Over in the Lansing area, the radar is now showing the possibility of rotation within this cluster of thunderstorms. So people that live in the Lansing area, in this area close to the Lansing area, cluster of storms with the possibility of rotation within those thunderstorms, which means that there is the possibility of a tornado. So there is rotation within this cluster of thunderstorms. Please take that very seriously and be aware that that one has rotation. So that is also a concern as well. We'll kind of keep you posted on that. So as long as this continues and we continue to have warnings and all of that pop up, I will be with you guys for most of this evening, and then I'll do another live stream, and that will be the second half of our coverage this evening. But until all of the severe weather is past, then that will end our live stream. And I do not know what time these storms will come to an end, but it will be sometime in the evening, late evening, overnight hours is what we may be looking at. We'll just have to wait and see if all of these storms that are very powerful tonight, with tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings, we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So if a county is issued with a tornado warning, take that seriously. Get to your sheltered area as quickly as you can. So I'll keep you posted. It may be a while because a lot of this stuff is moving very slowly. So I'm just waiting for more action to happen. So I'm still with you guys. Big cluster of storms. Where is my mouse at? Where did it go? I think it fell asleep. Again, oh, there it is. Yeah, it was asleep. Alright, while that's going on, we have this big cluster of thunderstorms. You can see that. There's a lot of, there's just a lot of action going on tonight. I would have put the tornado, I'm sorry, I would have put the severe thunderstorm watch box up over top of this, but then I'm not going to be able to see all these warnings coming in. But there is a watch out tonight for southeast Michigan, so I will get info on that right now and find out how long that's in effect for, so everybody knows. One moment. I'm going to look and see if I can find it on the app. One moment. Well, I'm going to have to do it a different way with all of the warnings coming in. One moment. Trying to figure this out. Let me see. I'm gonna have to do this a different way. Yeah, I will be doing my second live stream in just a little bit. Not right now, but really, really shortly. Because I will be doing another one until these storms have finally exited Michigan and begin to diminish. Then that will wrap up our live stream. But until then, I will continue the live stream with you guys and keep everybody informed on the situation tonight in Michigan. So, let me see if I can find out the actual time for I guess I could severe thunderstorm watch for Michigan expires at what time? One moment. I was asking my phone if it would tell me what time. Let me see. Okay, I think this one might be for Michigan. I don't know. Okay. One moment. Let's see here. Watch this. Okay. 1 second. See if I can get a status of what's going on here. Everything's just slow. No. Let me see. Just one moment. There's so many of them. What is going on here? Did they upgrade it? One moment. We gotta figure out what's going on. Just a moment. Okay. Sounds like they changed it. Alright. I just gotta figure this out. Just a moment. Okay, just to let everybody know, I just got the information. South, okay, so for southeast Michigan, tornado watch until 10 p.m. Once again, southeast Michigan, tornado watch in effect until 10 p.m. tonight. So I just wanted to let you know it's tornado watch number 3/20/22. Tornado watch number 3/22. With that, with the tornado watch for portions of eastern lower Michigan, Lake Huron, effective Saturday afternoon and evening from 4:05 until 10 p.m. A few tornadoes with scattered, damaging winds, gusts to 70 miles per hour possible, scattered large hail events to 1 inch in diameter possible. Thunderstorms over western lower Michigan will track eastward this afternoon across the watch area. A few supercell storms are possible, capable of damaging wind gusts and isolated tornadoes. Tornado watch is I can't even pronounce that. Okay, fortunately, I don't even know how to spell that. Okay, so as a reminder, I'll look at that in just a second. As a reminder, tornado watch in effect for southeast Michigan until 10 p.m. So that means we have several hours to go yet. It is only 6:02 p.m. and we still have several hours to go, so it's going to be a little bumpy ride here. And then after that, we're going to have a lot of breaking news on this, so I'll have more coverage on the breaking news with all the severe weather tonight. That is for sure. The tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons with those areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listening for later statements and possible warnings. So That is why I'm here tonight with all of you guys, as I promised, and I made this happen tonight. I didn't want to let my fans down or my prescribers down. I wanted to make sure that everybody knew that that I was right on top of this, just at a different time. So, where's my little, there's my mouse. Okay, 1 second, let me check something. If I can even get it. I don't want to move. Oh, there we go. Oh, just a moment. My screen wants to full. Okay, there we go. Wow. What happened? Okay. We will be ending this soon, and I'll have the second half of the okay, let me go back to our radar here. 1 moment. Alright, so I will be ending the first part of the severe weather. Make sure that you stay tuned. I will be back for the second half, and that means that I will be doing a live stream. So when I start the second half, I will be staying on until the end of the severe weather event. So I want to thank everyone for joining me tonight on Eric's weather forecast. But I will stay on for a couple more minutes, and then I'll wrap this up, and then I will be back immediately for the second half of our active severe weather, and then I probably will be on again tonight to talk about more on the severe weather and storm reports. So I know we're going to have a lot of that. So the tornado warnings continue for these areas. Very, very active pattern going on. So people in Shiawassee County, you guys still have a tornado warning. People in the Lansing area, you guys still have a tornado warning that's still in effect. And then there is actually a tornado warning over in the Charlotte area and Eaton, Michigan. Tornado warning continues for you guys. So we might have some problems. So I will stay on for a couple more minutes, but this does not sound very good according to where all the stuff is headed. I will kind of keep you guys up to date on that. So I'll be back for the rest of our broadcast on the severe weather tonight. Alright, so good. But I will stay on for a couple more minutes, and then I am going to wrap this one up, and I will be back for the second half. And the temperature is 85 degrees and mostly cloudy, and that would be from my area. But once my area gets hit with severe weather, that's not going to be a good thing. But I am prepared for it. So, yeah. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up for this part of the severe weather event. I will be back in a couple minutes, and I will also be on for the rest of the evening until the end of our severe weather has come to a final end, and then after that I'll be back on live streaming again on the breaking news, on the severe weather, and I will talk about some areas that got hit tonight with the strongest and powerful storms in southeast Michigan tonight. But for those areas that are still under tornado warnings, I hope everyone in those areas are doing okay and are in good hands. And thank you for joining me on Eric's weather forecast. I'll be back for the second part of our live broadcast. So please remember, everybody, please remember to continue to watch my channel. Everyone, all of my fans, all of my subscribers, you guys have been the best. I do have the comment section open, so please leave me comments. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I will get back to everyone's comments as soon as I can. I get. And I will reapply to them. But I really appreciate my fans, and I will continue to keep my channel and keep it going and continue to grow my channel. And I feel that I've been doing a very good job, and I'll keep up with that. So once again, I will be back in just a few minutes, so I'm going to take a break and I'll be back. At 6:30 I will be back with the rest of our severe weather coverage in southeast Michigan. So remember, everybody, please subscribe to Eric's weather forecast. Please like, and please spread the word in regards to my channel. I try to make it interesting, and especially when it comes to severe weather, I am there for all of you guys to make sure that you guys are safe, and I will keep you guys ahead of the storms. And we have Storm Tracker up, and I'll talk about the rest of the severe weather, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. I'm going to take a break, and I'll see you guys in the next half of our severe weather coverage tonight. That will continue. So we'll be back. Stay tuned on Eric's weather forecast, and I'll give you guys the rest of the full coverage and breaking news and storm reports tonight as we receive them. I'll be right back right after this. Thank you. I just gotta wait for this thing to switch over. What's going on? Okay, there we go. I just have to stop this.